Hey guys, welcome back to Shit I Made Without a Recipe. Today I'm just going to make some chocolate cupcakes. I'm just going to work off my basic butter cake recipe. 250 grams of butter and a cup of caster sugar, and we'll beat that up. We'll add our 3 eggs. Mix that as well. Some vanilla, half a cup of milk. Get all the wets wet. Now for the dries. 2 cups of self-raising flour and some cocoa powder. I don't know how much, just some. We'll work on it. A splash of milk, wipe down the sides, another splash of milk, a little bit more cocoa powder because it wasn't dark enough. Alright. Bit of a mess around there, but hey. So we just got some silicone pans. I'll start spooning it in. Pop paper cases in the big one. Spray the others with some canola oil. Spoon in the mixture. It's a good scoop for the big one. The little one I just use teaspoons to just spoon a little bit in. I'm just going to pop them on a wire racks just so they're easier to get out of the oven. Alright, there's our little ones done. They didn't take very long at all. We'll do the skewer test, comes out clean. Yeah. Turn them out. Look at that. Cute little, squishy, delicious. Heat them up a little bit before we dunk the rest in. Had to pay the baby tax. She wanted some. A bit more. Tip the rest out and we'll make our icing. 56% buttercream icing mix, so why not? Get some butter, icing mix, make a big mess, a little bit of milk. And just keep mixing it until it turns into a smooth icing-like consistency. Keep making a big mess with it. Here we go. Cute little squishy little muffins. So good. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want, and see you next time.